Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I will show you guys how to make P-331 Star Chaser, a brand new origami jet I designed. Remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. To make this paper airplane, you will need a 20 by 20 centimeter piece of paper, but any square paper will work. Fold the right corner to meet the left corner. Open that crease up and fold the left corner to meet the right corner. Open that crease and fold the paper in half. Open that crease and fold the top edge to meet the bottom. Open that up and collapse the folds along the existing creases. Fold the bottom corner to meet the top. Now unfold the paper and reverse the crease. Fold the left and right edges to meet the center crease. Unfold them and reverse them below the central tab. Now squash fold the tab. Now reference crease 1 inch down. Using that reference crease, pinch the wing and fold it outwards. Do the same on the other side to make the other wing. Flip the paper over and fold the edges to meet the center crease. Unfold and flip the paper over. Fold the paper to meet the crease and reverse fold the paper to the center. Do the same on the other side. Fold the bottom edges as far as they will go up and align them along the crease. Now reverse fold. Try to align the crease in the middle with the crease running outwards. Now repeat on the other side. Using that 1-inch reference crease that we made earlier, jet fold the paper airplane by simply pinching on the fuselage. Now fold the wings of the plane up. Reverse fold the fuselage to make the tail fin. There you go, you have a finished P-331 Star Chaser. It looks amazing and flies well. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.